Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your profile visible to recruiters on LinkedIn. Making your LinkedIn profile visible to recruiters can increase your chances of being discovered for job opportunities. The Open to Work feature lets recruiters know that you're interested in new roles while allowing you to control who can see your status. Follow the steps below to make your profile visible to recruiters on LinkedIn. To begin, open the LinkedIn app or visit LinkedIn in your web browser. Sign into your LinkedIn account. Click or tap your profile picture to open your profile. Choose Open To below your profile photo. Choose Finding a New Job or Providing Services. Then click Continue. Enter your preferred job titles in the About section. Add your preferred work locations. You can also select the option to work remotely. Here, you can add your services that you can provide. Review all the information you entered, then save your Open to Work preferences by clicking Publish. Update your profile with your latest skills and experience to improve visibility by clicking this option. Keep your profile active by regularly engaging with content and updating your information. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.